Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make the realistic thick body avatar using Berry Avenue. So if you want to create the ultimate thick body avatar that stands out, in this tutorial I'll show you step by step how to design a realistic curvy avatar with the best settings in Berry Avenue. So first you can just go to the avatar and find menu in here, tap on a body, click on the yellow shirt in here, and then you can just search for the Latina as a keyword. Select the first one and choose only the legs like this. And now delete the Latina and search for Peony doll. Now click on the second one and here select the torso and arms. And you are done, and you'll get this realistic body on the Berry Avenue. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.